Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we have another camping fan that I want to show you. This is really amazing. All right, I set this up last night. I fully charged it. It says it's 7,800 milliamp hour. It has the capability of using it as a battery bank to charge something small. Maybe you're like an iPhone, like maybe your phone once if you needed it. But the whole point of this is to actually use it as a fan. It is also a light in the center. So I have a very good friend of mine, Stacy. She is a huge camper and she enjoys it immensely. So I wanted to review this and give this to her as a gift because she is so into camping, and I wanted her to have the ability to have portable cooling while in her tent or whatever that she's in with her son. So so that said, this thing, supposedly I did a full charge on it. I didn't get 7,800 milliamp hour. I got around 6,000. So there are two 3.7 volt, 3,000 milliamp batteries on here. It's a pack and it plugs into a port. I'll show pictures. It does have the ability to charge stuff. I mean, that's the idea of it, but the capability of it is pretty great. So you have the ability to actually hang it if you like, all right, and then you can point it in a direction that you like for cooling purposes. You know, anything, any way you like. It's lockable. Obviously you can spin it in any way depending on how you wanted it. You can't spin it like this, but I mean moving it in different directions. It has 3 speeds of fan. So I had it on last night, cooling myself off on level 2. I started it at around, let's say, around 12 o'clock last night. I had it on 2, and when I woke up around 6:30 in the morning, I think it was 7:30 in the morning, it was at 50%. So it pretty much worked 7 hours with no problem at 50% speed. So it's on setting number 2. So you got 3 settings. 1, you really can't hear it. 2, and then 3. And it's showing 50% right now on the display here. It shows 25, 50, 75, and 100 on the display. There's also lights as well. You can't really see the brightness. We'll lower the lights down and show you this out. And we're going to turn on the light. Oh, look at the flicker. That's medium, and this is bright. It's just enough to light up the area in your tent. It's not designed to, like, you know, for you to read or whatever. It's just so you can see and don't kill yourself when you're walking inside the tent. That's the only purpose of it. And by the way, this does come with a remote control. With the included remote control, you have the ability to turn on and off the fan and the brightness of the light. So that's a huge plus. It does come with a USB cable and obviously instructions. Nice big instruction booklet here. I don't want to open this up because I want this completely sealed for her when she receives it. But it's a great product, folks. Absolutely great product. Handsome looking as well. So it's got green and black. The accents are perfect. I like it. It's a great product. I'm very happy to review it for her. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Can't even say that word. Subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.